Hey there, and welcome. So let's talk about hair. Are you just tired of the thinning, the constant flakes, or your hair just feeling kind of blah? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on 5 amazing, all natural ingredients that can seriously transform your hair care game. Okay, let's be real for a second. Does this look familiar? You know that little pang of dread you get when you look at your brush and it seems like it's winning the hair collecting contest? Yeah, you are definitely not alone in this. Or maybe this is your personal nemesis, the nonstop itch, those little white flakes that have you second guessing that gorgeous black top. It's so frustrating, I get it. And oh, this one, the classic. Spotting those first few silver hairs, or a whole bunch of them, popping up way, way earlier than you ever invited them to the party. It happens to pretty much everyone. But here's the thing. What if the answer isn't in another super expensive bottle full of chemicals you can't even pronounce? What if it's been right under our noses this whole time, just waiting in nature's pantry?
Okay, let's dive into our first natural champion. This is a true powerhouse from Ayurvedic tradition, Bringraj. They call it the king of herbs for hair and for good reason. Trust me.
So what's the deal with this king of herbs? How does it actually work its magic? Well, it basically gives your scalp a workout, boosting blood flow right to your hair follicles. It's like delivering a super nutrient smoothie directly to your hair's roots. This makes them stronger, helps fight hair loss, and can even help keep your natural hair color going strong. And the best part? Using it is way easier than you might think. You just mix the powder into a paste, water is fine, or you could use something like yogurt for some extra conditioning, and then you just apply it like a hair mask. It's a powerful treatment that gets right to the root of the problem. All right, next up in our all-natural toolkit is the ultimate gentle cleanser. You can forget about all those harsh sulfates because it's time to meet Retha, which you might also know as soap nuts. This is literally nature's shampoo. People have been using it for centuries. So what makes Retha so great? You know how most shampoos can feel like they strip your hair of, well, everything? Retha is the total opposite. It cleans away the dirt and oil, but it does it gently without messing up your scalp's natural oils. It's an amazing fighter against dandruff and itchiness, leaving your scalp feeling calm and happy.
And get this, making it is so simple. You just soak a few soap nuts in water overnight. In the morning, you give them a little squeeze, and boom, you have this mild, scalp-soothing liquid cleanser. Now, it's not going to foam up like the shampoos you're used to, but you'll be amazed at how clean and soft your hair feels afterwards.
Okay, let's switch gears and talk about hair fall and thinning. It's a big one. For this, we need a real heavy hitter, a thick, nutrient-packed oil that's famous for its strengthening power, castor oil. The secret sauce here is something called ricinoleic acid. It's an absolute powerhouse for waking up those hair follicles and getting the circulation going. At the same time, it's like a deep conditioner for every single strand, fighting off breakage and encouraging your hair to grow in thicker and stronger. And hey, here's a little pro tip for you. Warm up the oil just a little bit before you use it. It helps it absorb so much better. And that massage, it's not just for feeling good. It's actually putting those nutrients to work, getting them right down to your hair roots where they can do the most good. All right, we've tackled cleansing, we've tackled strength, but I know what some of you are thinking. What if your biggest battle is with those sneaky silver strands? What does nature have in its back pocket to help fight off premature graying? Well, the answer might actually be sitting in your kitchen spice rack right now. Let's talk about the humble curry leaf, a staple in so many delicious dishes, but also a powerful secret weapon against going gray too soon. So here's the cool sciencey bit. Curry leaves are loaded with antioxidants and B vitamins, and those are absolutely essential for producing melanin, you know, the stuff that gives your hair its natural color. So they actually work from inside the hair follicle to help press pause on graying, all while making your roots stronger. And you've got a couple of awesome ways to use them. You can blend up fresh leaves to make a really potent mask. Or, for an easier route, you can just gently heat them in some coconut oil to infuse the oil with all that goodness. Either way, you're getting those powerful nutrients right to your scalp. And now, for our final powerhouse ingredient, we're turning to an old favorite, the ultimate soother. If you've ever dealt with an itchy, irritated scalp, which is often the starting point for a ton of other hair issues, this one is your hero, the amazing aloe vera. I want you to think of aloe vera as a cool, calming facial, but for your scalp. It's got these incredible anti-inflammatory properties that just immediately soothe any irritation or dryness. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and enzymes that create the perfect, balanced environment for healthy hair to really thrive. And seriously, if you can get your hands on a fresh plant, there is nothing better. You just slice open a leaf and scoop out that cool, clear gel inside. Putting that directly on your scalp, oh, it's an instant feeling of relief and a massive dose of hydration. So let's zoom out and look at the big picture. Nature has handed us this complete toolkit. The beauty of this is that you can build a routine that's perfect for you. Need a growth boost? Go for Bring Raj. Scalp feeling angry? Aloe vera to the rescue. You can mix and match depending on what your hair is crying out for.
At the end of the day, this is about so much more than just hair, isn't it? It's about choosing to nourish our bodies with things that are gentle, but also incredibly powerful. It's about taking back control of our hair's health in a way that feels good and, well, natural. So now I'm turning it over to you. Looking at this amazing lineup of natural remedies, which one are you most excited to try out first? Your journey to amazing, healthier hair? Well, it can literally start today.